So we're getting you all the action from Davos, and we'll continue to do that. But as promised, we're turning to all the action that's turning up in the advertising and marketing space in our special segment, Logo Reloaded.
That's right. Let's take you now to, of course, Tanvi Shukla has put together this report on all the news from the space.
Thanks very much. We all know the success of any brand depends on how much you as a consumer trust the brand. And your response to a brand could depend on the values it stands for, the services and experience that it offers, perception about it by the people you trust, and so many other reasons. Today we present to you the Brand Trust Report 2012 by Trust Research Advisory. This is based on a survey conducted across 15 cities with over 2,700 respondents. Let's look at the key highlights.
Which is the brand that Indians trust the most? Well, it's been #1 for several years now, Nokia. Most Indians have used a Nokia mobile at some point or the other, and even though the company is facing tough competition from the Blackberries and Apples of the world, the brand resonance continues to be strong. The #2 brand this year too is the same as last year, Tata, but its gap at #3 has narrowed down.
Nokia is at #1, Tata is at #2. They were at the same positions last year as well. This year, the lead has considerably lessened. And while the lead between #2 and #3 used to be double digit, almost 25%, now it's a single digit lead. And that's significant because it says the #3 and #4, who are the Korean brands LG and Samsung, have actually gained significant amounts of, I think, trust points in that sense.
In fact, Korean durable makers are quickly making their place in the hearts of Indian consumers, way ahead of other domestic and international brands.
We are committed to support what we call mobile smart devices. That's what we call them. So we are not limiting ourselves to phones alone as we go forward. Whether it's tablets, whether it's the Note, whether it's smartphones, we'll have a plethora of products out there. And we're looking at consumers from a life cycle point of view, because if they buy one product and they're happy, then we know in the future they'll buy us again. So watch this space, it's going to keep evolving.
A big entry into the top 10 this year was Bajaj, from #12 to #7 this year. Bajaj's communication campaigns and a wider product portfolio is helping it connect with consumers who may not be from the Hamara Bajaj era.
Now we are starting with strong brands, in clear categories, whether it's KTM, Pulsar, Discover, Boxer or RE. To take these brands forward, as Mr. Al Ries would say, the job of the CEO is to find the future in the current activities of the company. I now have a company with very strong current activities, and fortunately I have a very strong backend now in terms of R&D, engineering, supply chain, and they have done most of the work that needs to be done to take these brands forward.
Let's take a look at some more interesting findings. Godrej's shift towards a more vibrant brand communication and product offering has helped it come up 9 notches to #11. BlackBerry's campaign to target the youth has helped it gain a few spots over Apple. Hero Group's breakup with Honda has not yet gone down well with consumers, and it slipped 12 points to #25. So what are making some brands stick and others lose their sheen?
Trust is essentially the very basis of the way humans interact. It's the basis of human life, social life, as well as business life as we know it. We imagined that quite some time back, and way back in 2006 we started researching trust, understanding it better. So we had, there are 3 manifestations of trust. So it's got communication manifestation, psychological as well as sociological. So we had about 140 experts whom we spoke with in each of these fields, and deciphered that trust can't be gained by asking for trust. It's like happiness, you can't really ask for happiness. You can gain it by going into the ingredients of trust.
And before we wrap up, here is something we all connect with. Facebook's trust rank has gone up from 295 to 65 in just a year.
So while that was about top brands across categories, tune in next week to know about top personalities who Indians put their trust in. Some surprises there also. For now, let's move on to our next story, and this one is about